Join me in today's video for a very exciting patio makeover and transformation at our new house. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. This is what I got from Walmart. After just looking at so many outdoor furniture options, this set was the best for the price. So many good reviews on it, and every time they release this set, it sells out. It's the best buy for outdoor furniture right now. It's 2 swivel chairs and also the couch. If you just get the swivel chairs, it only comes with the 2 covers. But if you get the couch, it's the couch with the 2 nesting tables. Not my favorite pick for an outdoor table to go with the set, but it does come with it. The sofa cover for the couch as well. But again, it's like this beautiful all-weather wicker material, and you guys know I love basket woven material. They have a gray, and they also have like this beautiful tannish brown. Even though gray is one of my favorite colors, the gray that they have is a little bit too dark, and it was sold out anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together, and I'm gonna get it in place in my patio space, and then we're gonna do all of the decor and all of that fun stuff. So definitely stay tuned. So now that I've unboxed all of the pieces for the 2 gliders, which we're going to do first, this is the area that I am working with. I currently already have a Studio McGee egg chair out here from Target. I've had this one for years, and I love that the new set that I got from Walmart actually goes with it. And don't mind the water on the edge of my rug here. It's just because I had my son's pool on the patio, and so I emptied it out and a lot of the water got all over. But we're going to go ahead and start setting up out here. Absolutely love this chair, by the way. Highly recommend. It is on the higher end, but it's really nice. The cushion is so soft. And shout out to my son. He wanted to be my little helper, so he was helping me unbag and throw away a lot of the trash. And he wanted to do more, but I just wouldn't let him. I was so afraid that one of the pieces would fall on him and hurt him. However, I can say that although the boxes were really heavy, and I'm so glad I was home when the delivery guy made the delivery, because he was able to just wheel it in right over my threshold and I was able to push it in. But had he left it on my doorstep, oh my goodness. These boxes were extremely heavy, but I was so relieved to find that once you start unboxing everything, it becomes really lightweight. All of the pieces of the furniture are extremely lightweight. As you can see, I did this by myself, and so I was very pleased about that. If you get this set, I highly recommend that you follow the instructions to a T when it says do not tighten any of the bolts and screws until it tells you to. You're going to want to do this so you can have a little leeway, because you're going to need it as you're connecting the pieces. Once I got the first glider together, I was so concerned that it was kind of lower to the floor than I originally thought it was. But once you see in the end, when we start to put the cushions on, it all comes together. The cushions are extremely thick. Actually, they're thicker in the chair than they look coming out of the box. So that was great. So once I got the first glider together, it was extremely easy to put the second one together. And I actually came back, as you can see, and did this on a different day. It actually took me 3 days just because I'm extremely busy and I didn't have a lot of time to do this. But 2 people can knock this out in 45 minutes easy. So now on to the sofa. This one gave me a run for my money. There was a point where I thought I was going to have another person while I was connecting the first two pieces, just because the back is so long and you have to anchor the right arm so you can get them connected before you can move ahead. And the anchors were in weird places, so it was almost like you were going to need a second person, but I was able to work it out using the wall. But I did just want to make a note that the tables that come with this set are extremely heavy. It's the tabletop in particular that are heavy. It's almost like they're marble. They're actually a ceramic marble finish, and the tables were a lot bigger than I expected. I don't know, I was just thinking they were a lot smaller, but they are quite big and they do fill in the space pretty nicely. So I was very pleased actually to find that out. And so even though these aren't the centerpiece of the set that I'm going to have eventually, I am going to go ahead and use them for now because they do really look great once you get it all set up. I was so concerned before I got the set in that the Studio McGee rattan egg chair wasn't really going to work with it, even though they're similar. But I was very pleased to find that the binding that they used at the joints of the egg chair is pretty much the same color as the wicker material of the new set from Walmart. So even though the cushions are more gray in the Walmart set and the Studio McGee rattan chair uses more like a cream for the cushion, it still works because I have a mixture of different throw pillows and blankets and things that are for outdoor that I use to style with, and they all work together. So I was very pleased. So these are the three pieces together before I start on the tables or any of the decor. And if you're wondering where I got anything from, I can link it for you below if it's still available. The rug I got from Wayfair years ago, and I've had it for some time, so it may not be available, but that is where I got it. But if you're interested in any of the pieces, just leave a comment below and I can link everything. And I am so excited. I'm starting a garden right here to the right of this couch, actually. And so my next Sunday upload is actually going to be a gardening video starting my new garden. So if you're a gardener or have a green thumb, definitely check it out because I would love to see your comments about things that I could do in my garden. And I'm looking forward to all the garden decor that I have that will be going up in that video as well. I do like that the River Oak set comes with straps already attached in it to where you can attach the cushions so that they won't flop off or come off in the wind or any heavy weather. And also, if you're interested in this set, there's more. They have an ottoman that you can also get that's part of the River Oak set as well. And they also have a sectional piece that is part of the River Oak set as well. And it has like a table in between the two pieces that are connected together. So here's me putting together the smaller of the two nesting tables. They are really great together. So the next thing I wanted to do was to get my Studio McGee egg chair cushion cleaned. It hasn't been cleaned in the 2 years that I bought it, and it's looked great this entire time, but evidently if you aren't keeping a close eye on the underside of it, you can start having different insects that will try to make it their home because it's outdoor furniture and you're not always sitting on it. So it's just good to pull this out and get this clean. I wanted to get it cleaned anyway, but I also had to get rid of some wasp nests that had developed on it at the same time. So I just pulled out my pressure washer and went to town. And if you need a good pressure washer, I highly suggest the electric one on Amazon. It has really great reviews, and for anything simple that you need to pressure wash, even concrete, you can use this. I have it on the lowest setting with the widest sprayer nozzle on it, and it will get things like this clean. Even my concrete, there were some areas that I wanted to get clean with it, and I use this no problem. I didn't need a gas powered one. And so if you need a good recommendation, let me know in the comments below. But my son, who's my little helper, also wanted to get on the waterworks as well, so I did let him do it as well. But I loved how the finished product came out. So everything that I'm styling with, I either picked up from the Dollar Tree and Target Dollar Spot. And the throw pillows that I use are either all from the Target Dollar Spot or Target Outdoor. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did putting all this together. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. You can also hit the bell. You'll be notified on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and bi-weekly on Sundays when I upload. And I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.